Wait, take picture.
నేను పట్టలేదు ఇక్కడ. Finish.
Hello. Hi. Mi amma. Finish all the money. Buy so many things.
It's okay.
Chocolates. It's happy,
I'm happy. I buy for this my family in the Philippines.
Yes. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We drink our cup.
Yes. Waiting.